Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to translate a page in Microsoft Edge. So for you to translate this particular page in Microsoft Edge, you have to come and you have to click on empty space on your website. You want to translate the page, then go down a little, then tap on translate. Once you do that, then the translate option is going to pop up here. You can see. Sorry. Okay. Is it here? Good. Then you can select the language you want to translate this particular website. We want to translate it to. Let's say I translate this to Chinese. Then I'm going to click on translate. You can see the my entire website. Check to Chinese. And if you want to change it to another language, let's say English, just click on the English, then you translate back, or you show the original. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.